How to log into Outlook on your mobile device. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into Outlook on your mobile device. So this method will work for both your Android device as well as your iPhone. So all you have to do is either go to your Play Store or App Store and then simply download the Outlook app on your mobile device. Now once the app is downloaded, simply open it. After that, it will ask you to enter your email address. So simply enter the email address associated with your Outlook account. So for now, I'll simply enter mine. Now once you've entered the email address, tap on the option add account. After that, you will be taken to this page where it will ask you to enter your password. So if you remember your password, simply type it in over here and then tap on the option sign in. But if you don't remember your password, you can simply reset it by tapping the option forgot password. So that is basically how you log into your Outlook account on your mobile device. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.